My name's Gareth, my company's Multi-Heat Services. Welcome to my house. This is in sunny South Wales. We've got a heat pump being installed today and commissioned. We're on the final leg of the journey and hopefully today we finally get some heating and hot water on, ready for the winter.
So here we are, Gareth, at your house. It's changed quite a lot since I was last here. What have we got going on today?
We're commissioning the Ideal heat pump following the renovation of the central heating and underfloor heating system that we've put in. Got to do the last few connections and then we're ready to switch on. We've got solar panels, so we benefit from the electricity that's producing to run the heat pump, and we're on LPG, so the benefits are quite great to go to a heat pump with the cost of the gas, plus the fact that we're getting electricity produced. We wanted something with a good warranty, looks good, latest technology. This was a good fit for us because it presents well with the property. It's got a 5-year warranty and it's also capable of giving us higher flow temperatures if necessary, although hopefully we won't need that because we put underfloor heating in. It's always good to have that option if we ever need to do anything in the future. We do have some radiators upstairs, so we could always use it to give us a higher temperature there if we need it, and it will obviously heat the hot water up to a hotter temperature as well.
On every installation, if there is an issue, as an installer, you don't have to go back. Ideal Heating will cover everything for the homeowner.
I wanted to show that the heat pump is capable of working in a situation. I wanted to show that in my own home. I'm very confident that the Ideal HP290 is going to give us the output we need for this property. The HP290 gives us the confidence that we'll get a high enough flow temperature to heat the property even on the coldest of days, efficiently and effectively.